Remember, Pez sells candy, and they have a company make dispensers for them to push their product. So there you go. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the Pez Book channel. Let us focus. Thank you. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I love the color of this inner sleeve. Very cool looking. Very cool looking. All right, so here are the differences in Fred Flintstone Pez dispensers. One on the left here, let's see. It's an IMC 6 made in China. And this one over here is an IMC 7 made in Czechoslovakia. Since they are made at different factories, they will have minor differences. So, the most obvious difference, oh yeah, this is kind of cool. There's plastic missing here, but there is not plastic missing here. Different copyright than over here. See where it's hiding down there? So this is a partial cheek. Partial neck. They cut out some plastic. Again, saving money on shipping. Saving money on producing. This is a little bit darker in color. His snout, if you will, his mouthpiece. But as you can see, the printing is pretty much identical on the eyes. And then when we look at the back of the heads, you can see this thumb tab here. Whereas the China one, less plastic, does not have the thumb tab. I haven't been able to find a difference in the hairs. I've been looking at them a lot. The only thing I can tell is one has a shinier plastic, as you can see there, and the other one is a little more dull of a plastic. Similar recipes, still black in color. So there you go. Yeah, I didn't think about it either, but yeah. Partial cheeks, Fred Flintstone. Yabba dabba do. So until next time.